Namaste, welcome to GitasKitchen. Varalakshmi Vratam will be celebrated on Friday. So in this video I am showing you 3 simple traditional recipes which you can make for Naivedyam. We are making Paramannam, sweet Appam and Sundal. First we are preparing a traditional Paramannam, a beautiful sweet rice preparation that makes a lovely offering for Varalakshmi Vratam. I have taken 1/4 cup of moong dal. First we'll dry roast it. Just dry roast it for a few minutes till it slightly changes color. Now we can switch it off and we'll wash it and bring it back. In your pressure cooker, take half a cup of water and 1 cup of milk. This is about 250 ml of milk. We'll bring it to a boil. When it starts coming to a boil, add in this roasted and washed moong dal to it. Also add in 1/4 cup of washed rice, raw rice. When it starts coming to a boil once again, we'll cover it, cook it for 1 whistle and switch it off. Meanwhile, take a little water and I am adding half a cup of jaggery. We'll make it into a syrup and keep it ready. See, the syrup has become frothy and is boiling well now. We need not wait for any syrup stage. I am just going to switch it off now. Also, I have heated a tablespoon of ghee. We'll fry some cashew nuts and raisins and keep that also ready. We have opened the cooker. See, the rice and dal both have cooked very well. Just give it a good mix and you can even mash it slightly. It should come to a nice creamy consistency. Now pour in the prepared jaggery syrup. If you are not sure of your jaggery quality, filter it. This jaggery is good, so I am adding it directly. Again, mix it all well together. Transferring it into my serving bowl. I am adding some cardamom powder. Cardamom I have powdered with sugar, that is why the color. Finally, add in this fried cashews and raisins on top, and our absolutely divine creamy Paramannam or Bella Paramannam is ready. A very traditional recipe offered to Ma Lakshmi for Varalakshmi Vratam. Here I have soaked white chickpeas, that is the Kabuli chana, overnight. We'll drain the water and pressure cook it. Add required quantity of water and salt. I pressure cook it for 3 whistles and switch it off. Our chana has cooked well for the sundal. For making the sundal, heat a tablespoon of oil. We'll just do the tempering. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, one dry red chili, hing, and a few curry leaves. We already added salt while boiling the chana. Now add the cooked chana to it. Drain out the water and add. Toss it all well together. Finally add in some fresh grated coconut and our chana sundal traditional Naivedyam is ready. See, I am making only small quantities of each item today because again on the actual festival day I have to repeat everything. This simple sundal is easy to prepare, makes a wonderful savory offering, and it is something that can be made without spending hours in the kitchen. Next we will make traditional prasadam, that is appam, sweet appams. which are very very delicious too. Here I have soaked raw rice 1 cup. It has been soaking for 2 to 3 hours now nearly. I'll drain out the water and grind it into a smooth batter. See, we have ground it into a smooth batter. Just taking one small ripe banana and we'll add to it. Also half a cup of jaggery or jaggery powder. Today I am just taking jaggery powder for convenience. Also adding a little bit of cardamom, and we'll just again blend it all together. Now take out this appam batter in a bowl. We'll rest this batter for a little while. Batter has rested well. Now we can complete making the appam. I am making it with ghee. So just add some ghee in each mold. Now pour a little of the batter into each mold. Over a low to medium flame, we will allow it to cook till it is golden on one side, then we can flip it over. After a few minutes, we can carefully turn it over to the other side also. See, the center ones will get done first. When we are waiting for the other side also to get cooked, let me give you one small tip. If you are a beginner and when you are grinding the soaked rice, by mistake you add little more water and your batter becomes dilute. Don't panic, nothing to worry. Just add in a tablespoon of wheat flour, that is atta or rice flour, whatever you might have, and again mix everything well together and you can continue. When it is well cooked on both the sides, we can remove it. See, our sweet appams, traditional Naivedyam is also ready. Sweet appam is one of those special festive offerings that makes a Naivedyam plate feel complete. It's naturally sweetened with jaggery and has that lovely aroma of banana and cardamom. These may be simple offerings, but when prepared with love and devotion, even the simplest of offering becomes special. And this week in our upcoming videos, we will also be sharing with you how we get ready and prepare for the puja, and then also how we actually invite Mahalakshmi and perform the puja too. In my earlier videos over the years, if you go to Varalakshmi Vratam, GitasKitchen, you will find there are many more recipes. Generally we make payasam, idli, vada, kodakata, sundal and so on. This year I have shown you 3 simple recipes, so even if you are a beginner or you don't have time, you can make just 3 or even just 1. As I always say, it is only your devotion which matters. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.